In this video, I will teach you how to link your WhatsApp business number to your Facebook page. In case you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Popka Innocent, and on this channel, I create videos on how to run profitable and effective Facebook and Instagram ads, as well as TikTok ads and other social media marketing. So if you're interested in social media marketing, digital marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss my next social media marketing video. Without wasting time, let's dive in. Open your Facebook app, click on your profile here, click on this drop down button. You will see your Facebook profile and the pages you manage here. Select the particular page you want to link your WhatsApp number to the Facebook page. I want to link my WhatsApp number to this particular Facebook page, so I'll click on it right now. It's switching. It is going to switch from your profile to that particular page. After switching, click on your Facebook page profile. It will take you here. Scroll down. You will see settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Go ahead and click on settings. Scroll down again until you see linked accounts. Here is linked accounts right here. Click on it. Click on settings right here. You'll be directed to this page. Scroll down until you see linked accounts. Here is linked accounts. So click on linked account for you to link your Facebook page to your WhatsApp business number. The first thing you will see here is Instagram, and the second one is WhatsApp. For the purpose of this video, we want to link our WhatsApp business number to our Facebook page. So go ahead and select WhatsApp. Take notes, Facebook only accepts WhatsApp business number and not WhatsApp Messenger. So if you have not registered on WhatsApp Business, go to Play Store or App Store, download WhatsApp Business and register on it. You can switch from your WhatsApp Messenger to WhatsApp Business, right? The next step is to select your country code. After selecting your country code, go ahead and input your phone number. Remove the first zero when inputting your phone number if you're living in Nigeria, okay? Next thing is to click on this button, send code to WhatsApp. And Facebook is going to send you code. You can see my code notification up there. So I'll enter the code now, 14439, and it's going to be connected. You'll be directed here. Click on the continue button down below, and your WhatsApp business is connected successfully. You can see right now your accounts are connected. Now people can message you directly on WhatsApp from this Facebook page. You can change this in page settings. So you can change the WhatsApp business number anytime you like, okay? Also note that you can connect up to 50 business WhatsApp numbers to your page. The next step is to click on done button right below here. Now they will suggest for you to create a WhatsApp ad, but here is not the right place to create an ad. I've done a video on how to create ad directly to your WhatsApp. The link will be at the description of this video. I'll click on not now. They will also suggest for you to create a post. If you want to create a post that has the WhatsApp button, then you can create for now, but I'm not interested in creating any post now. So you can still click on not now. The WhatsApp business number you just linked now will appear here like this. It is just that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and drop a comment below.